Boy, it's not about the distance between us. I'm gonna miss your face that made me smile when I'm feeling down. When it feels like I'm slipping away.
Just remember those times we just lay down in the grass, watching the day turn into night.
You holding my hand while strolling through the park. How I wish we didn't have to be apart. All those times we spent together, I'll keep it in my heart.
I'm going away, there's not much left to say,
but I love you,
and I'll never forget all those times that you were on my mind.
I swear I won't cry, take care, I'll miss you. Remember those times we'd just get in the car and drive wherever. This is something to remember.
Our first kiss after the sunset, and now I'm packing my bags and I'm carrying that moment with me.
All those times we spent together, promise you'll be back someday.
I'm going away, there's not much left to say,
but I love you,
and I'll never forget all those times that you were on my mind.
I swear I won't cry, take care,
I'll miss you. Oh, and I can't stand this. We've fallen in love, but you're going away. We're so close and yet so far, but I know that you'll be back soon. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. Keep this love in its photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing.
Apple, happy birthday. Tumanda ka na naman. Ay, Este, pumata ka na naman pala. Kung nasaan ka man ngayon, I know you are very happy because you are fulfilling your dreams. Alam ko, pangarap mo yan. Although, on the other side, malungkot ka. Pareho man tayo kasi malayo tayo sa mga taong mahal natin. But just bear in mind, at the end of the day, kayo at kayo pa rin naman ang magkasama till the end, di ba? Yun lang din naman ang iniisip ko. Kundi just have faith lang and everything will be okay in the end, di ba? At ang sarili mo dyan, ang pababayaan. Dami kami na nagmamahal sa'yo dito. Thank you for being such a good friend. Alam ko, nandyan ka, yung mga times na malungkot ako, and you're one of the person na nag-comfort sa akin. Kaya, I'm very thankful for that. Dito lang din naman ako palagi para sa'yo. And one day, I would be one of the happiest person kung makita man kita in your white, beautiful and long dress. At alam po, it will happen soon. Diba? It's official. Soon to be Mrs. Paragas ka na. Magpakatatag ka dyan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. At miss na kita pang. Sorry kung hindi man tayo nakita before ako umalis. Sorry. Soon, magkikita din naman tayo. I love you and I miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bes. Kamusta ka na dyan sa Australia? I hope you're doing fine and you're having fun there. Sayang nga lang wala ka ngayon sa birthday mo this year dito sa Pilipinas. Pero thank you sa fiancé mo dahil isa ako sa napili niya para gumawa ng video message as a surprise gift niya para sa'yo. I wish you all the best. Sana matupad lahat ng dreams, wishes, and your prayers. I miss you and I love you, Bes. Bye!
Happy birthday, best ko. My God, 25 ka na. Sooner or later, ako na rin susunod. Miss na kita. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Thank you din kay God kasi may work ka na agad. Basta, stay strong, stay pretty, stay healthy, kasi susunod pa yan si Besto. Happy birthday, Besto! Read mo na lang yung message ko. Sorry. Kasi, ngayon ako nakapag-send ng ganito. Hindi rin kita nabilan ng cake mo. Pipicturean ko na lang the day of your birthday. Alam mo naman, hectic ang schedule. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Danica! Always take care of your boobs.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate Danica. I wish you all the best. See you soon. Kailan ang next general meeting natin? Magkikita din tayo ulit sa Australia. All the best. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Yapang! Happy birthday, Ninang! Message ko for you is good health and ingat ka parati dyan. Wait ka namin ni Drake dito, okay? We love you! Mwah, mwah, mwah! Love you, Ninang! Say I love you, Ninang! Bye!
Best friend. Kano. Ako lang to. And I'm making this video as a request of your Papa Omay. So, here you go. I just want to greet you happy birthday, best friend. Kasi birthday mo na. So, ang wish ko lang is matuloy natin yung vacation natin sa Thailand, yung matagal natin pangarap. And then, number 2, ang wish ko sa relationship mo na Omay, na sana may forever. And I know that forever exists. Kailangan nyo lang mag-hold on. Kailangan nyo lang i-prove sa lahat na yung love is the center of your relationship. And number 3 is sa profession natin, sana maging successful tayong dalawa. And nag-start ka na ng journey mo ngayon, so hold on, have faith. Lagi ako nandito sa'yo and I love you always. And thank you lang din sa lahat na andyan ka parate. And I wish that you could stay beside me. And I will stay beside you forever. Kahit wala na silang lahat, tayo nandito pa rin para sa isa't isa. I love you, best friend. Hope you enjoyed your birthday kahit na malayo tayo. Skype soon.
Happy birthday, Ate Danica! Wish you all the best. God bless. And then, sana maging PR ka na dyan. And then, and kunin niya na ako dito. Dahil, inutusan nila ako dito. Lagi ni Ate Cathy, Kuya Dante. Sabi nila, ilagay ko tayong kutsyon sa kwarto, sis ko tayo aircon, kada ako ng tubig nila, kada ako ng pagkain nila. Yun lang. Tapos, maging happy ka. Bye-bye.
Hi Ate, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And then more successful. And then, ayun, nasabi ko lang ako pala kasi ni Ate Cynthia. Because you know, parang Harriet sisters ko na yun po kayo. Maka po, wagas na. Basta yan. Happy birthday, I love you. Ka dyan palagi. Ako na lang bahala sa kanila. Alam mo na yun. Love you.
Hi, Apam! Happy birthday, Apam! Cynthia is in the line and we would like to greet you a happy 25th birthday. May you be blessed with good health and prosperous life and a blessed and meaningful life with Marlo. Yeah. And I hope you be safe there and yung pang-treat mo, ipa-LBC mo na. Dito lang kami. Anyways, be safe and God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi, Apang. Happiest birthday to you. Well, enjoy your day, okay? And I wish we could celebrate it together, but we're quite far away from each other. You know naman the situation. But Ate, I just wish you that whatever wish that you may have for your birthday, God will grant it for you, because I know you deserve it. And we already miss you. I love you, and thank you for being such a great sister to me, to Dante, and to Cindy. See you soon, Apang. Bye-bye.
Danica, anak ko. Happy birthday. Kumon, may basil sula mo mula ng amunin mo na sumandasal, amunin mo na may imbaga, amunin mo na panangaro may pamilya. Love you. Love you.
Hi asawa, surprise! Sana nagustuhan mo tong video na ginawa ko. Happy 25th birthday, asawa. Sana maging masaya ka this day kahit alam natin na nandyan ka sa Australia. Ito na lang birthday gift ko sa'yo. Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo. And sana one day makapunta din ako dyan para makasama kita. Yan lang. Alam mo na yan, asawa. Ingat ka dyan lagi and God bless you always. I love you so much and see you soon.